Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name over on the Craft app. So in order to change your name over on the Craft app, to basically change your profile name, here's how you can do this. First of all, open the Craft app, just like this. Once you've done that, go to the top left corner of your screen and then click on this little arrow icon right here. Once you've done that, go to the top left corner again and click on your profile picture basically. Once you've done that, click on your name right here and then click on settings. Right here, what you want to do is you want to click on my account, and then right here you'll find name, and you can literally change your name to whatever you want by simply clicking on change name, and then right here you can change it to literally whatever you want. So for example, I want to change it to Dadsfax 111. All I need to do is click on it. So the top box is basically for your first name, and then the second one is for your surname, and that's literally all you need to do. Click on save, and then your name will be changed just like that. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.